How much is a Panasonic TV? Panasonic TVs are well regarded for their quality, offering a wide range of models from budget-friendly options to premium ones. The price of a Panasonic TV depends on factors such as the screen size, resolution, display technology, LED, OLED, etc., and additional features like smart functionality and HDR support. First, price range of Panasonic TVs. The cost of a Panasonic TV typically falls within these ranges: 32 to 43-inch models, priced between $200 to $500. 55-inch models usually range from $400 to $800. 65-inch models typically priced from $600 to $800. $1,500. Premium models, OLED and higher-end LED, can range from $1,200 to $3,000 depending on features and specifications. 2. Different Panasonic TV models and their pricing. Panasonic offers various models tailored to different needs and budgets. HX 600 series, entry-level models with HD and 4K resolution, priced from $200 to $500. GX 800 series, mid-range 4K models with better color accuracy and HDR support, typically priced from $400 to $700. HZW 2004 series, premium OLED models with perfect blacks and advanced picture quality, priced from $1,200 to $2,000. GZ 1500 and GZ 2000 series, high-end OLED models with enhanced image and sound processing, priced from $2,000 to $3,000. 3. Features that affect the price. The price of a Panasonic TV is influenced by resolution. 4K and OLED models are more expensive than HD models. Display technology. OLED models offer superior contrast and color, but are priced higher than LED models. Smart features. Models with built-in streaming apps, AI functionality, and WebOS tend to cost more. HDR. TVs with Dolby Vision and other HDR formats cost more due to superior picture quality. Fourth best time to buy for maximum savings. To get the best deal on a Panasonic TV, consider purchasing during holiday sales. Events like Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and Prime Day often offer substantial discounts. Clearance sales. Older models are typically discounted when new versions are released. Retailer-specific promotions. Some stores offer bundled deals, trade-ins, or financing options that can help you save. Panasonic TVs offer a range of prices based on features and model type. By comparing different models, keeping an eye out for promotions, and shopping during sales events, you can find a Panasonic TV that fits your budget and entertainment needs.